Today's video, I'm going to share you the products I've been loving for the month of October. So, hindi talaga ako usually gumagawa ng monthly favorites, but I feel like I should. I'm feeling ko, it's kind of fun. Actually, monthly favorites are one of the videos I really love to watch sa mga ibang mga beauty content creators because it's like giving me ideas kung meron bang mga products out there na hindi ko pa alam, hindi ko pa na-discover and whatnot. So, I feel like, you know, I'm gonna join. I'm also gonna give you my monthly favorites. And iba-iba naman kasi talaga yung mga products na ginagamit ko kada buwan. Well, some products nag-extend ng few months, but a lot of products like, you know, monthly, actually weekly pa nga eh. So, without further chika, I'm going to chika na to you my favorites, and it's all right here in this very beautiful rattan basket. So, some of these products, baka alam niyo na, yeah, and nagamit ko na on cam. But some, sana I can give you like, nah, I'm pretty sure you know these products. So I'm gonna go in order by how you do your face. So the first product I'm going to show to you is this one right here. I'm pretty sure alam niyo na itechiwa. And this is the Sun Glow by Fresh Sun Mist. And tingnan niyo, hanggang saan na lang siya. I've been loving this as a primer kasi parang ang bilis lang as a primer, like and alam mo yun, okay naman yung parang lapat ng foundation ko or ng BB cream ko over this one, so I don't have a problem. And I'm also using this like after applying everything to, you know, to help my makeup like melt on my skin. So yeah, I'm not really using this as a parang pang sun protection. Ginagamit ko talaga siya as a primer and as a makeup setting spray because usually andito lang naman ako sa bahay. And sometimes I do go out. Ito rin yung ginagamit ko, like majority for the month of October. So yeah. Next products for the face, for the base. And for the month of October, I found myself reaching for these two products. Ayan, you guys all know that. I'm pretty sure previous videos ko, parang ito rin yung madalas ko napapakita sa inyo. First one is the Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover BB and Concealer. I hate the concealer. I don't use the concealer. The concealer sucks so bad. But the BB cream, yung nasa loob nito, I do love. Like, really good coverage, very easy to use, and this is so affordable. And then for this one, oh god, the BLK Cosmetics Illuminating Skin Tint Sun Shield. This is the illuminating one, and go get this, guys, because if you want like a dewy glowy finish na hindi naman like greasy oily, I do recommend this one. And I also mix this with this one para I do have the coverage, but I also get the dewiness. Alam mo yun, the sheen. This one kasi is very matte, you guys, very matte. And pag hinaluan ko nito, like the perfect finish na that I need. It's not the product that I'm using right now. I'm so sorry, you guys. Binala ko na I'm gonna gather all my favorites and use it on cam. Kaya lang guys, mapapansin ko yung mga previous videos ko, they're like super long. So pag nag-apply pa ako while discussing my favorites, this is going to be like super long then. So, ayoko naman like mabore kayo sa mga videos kung pagkahaba-haba. So, for this one, I'm going to try to trim it down and talk really, you know, snappy, short but sweet. Para, alam mo yun, I'm not gonna waste so much of your time. So, yeah, I do love this. I do recommend that you try this. Now, the setting powder that I have been loving for the month of October is this one right here. Perfect Diary X Sanrio loose powder, waterproof loose powder, you guys. This is currently sa Lazada. This is 519 pesos. I know it's super duper expensive. I didn't buy this. I just got this for free from Perfect Diary. But when I tried it, you guys, it is so maganda. Like, meron talaga siyang blurring effect. Well, of course, hindi siya permanent, you know. Pero pag in-apply mo, Ang ganda niya talaga. Na-inlove talaga ako. And I've been reaching for this so many times for the month of October. So, alam mo yun, I think deserve niya na mapunta dito sa aking monthly favorites kahit na pricey siya. I'm really sorry, you guys. But, pag may budget ka, perhaps for this Christmas, alam mo yun, gusto mong pabigyan yung sarili mo, you might want to try this. Perfect Diary, Gudetama, Sanrio, Loose Powder. Yung ganito yung may itlog. Kasi parang meron pa silang iba pang loose powders. And it comes in 3 shades. And this one that I'm using is in number 3. So I'm not sure. Ito ba yung darkest? Is this the deepest shade? If it is, then that's so sad. Because parang ang light pa rin nito sa akin. Pero yeah, ang ganda-ganda nito for me. Try it if you have budget. So, for the cheeks, I have a couple of products for the cheeks. Actually, a couple. Dalawa lang naman. Nga pala, this is from the Vice Cosmetics. Ito yung kanilang cheeky blush. And the 2 shades that I have been wearing so much for the month of October is Everyday Nude and Sheer Plum. And, I don't know, they're just so easy to use. So blendable, so ganda on your cheeks. And, yeah, for some reason, I've been reaching for them. They're like my favorite for the month of October. Actually, kahit hanggang ngayon, it's the first week of November. So let's see. I'm gonna try my other blushes para naman, alam mo yun, ma-exploit natin yung aking collection. So next product, you guys, na favorite ko for the month of October is this product right here. This is an eyeliner from Tevian. You guys, this is a 700 peso na eyeliner. So it's quite expensive. It's quite an expensive eyeliner, but I buy these eyeliners kapag ka may sale. And I'm telling you guys, parang ang dalas mag-sale ng Tevian or ang dalas lang talaga mag-sale ng Lazada, but every time nagsisale, pumapatak siya ng 300 something and then I buy him. Because this eyeliner, especially the shade Virago, I love. Because it's so easy to use and super pigmented. And parang isang ganito, parang naglalast sa akin ng 2 to 3 months. Nag-start akong gumamit ng Tevian eyeliner back in February or March. So it's long lasting and marami yung laman niya. And you guys, it's so easy to use. I really love it. But I do recommend that you try this, that you buy this kapag ka may sale. Okay? So what are the lip products that I've been loving for the month of October? Well, first off is this one right here. This is the Himalaya Herbals Lip Balm. And you guys, I love using this on the days na gusto ko ipahinga yung lips ko from lipstick, liquid lipstick, and lip gloss. I only use this one. It's so good. It's so comfortable. Siya yung lip balm na madulas, pero hindi greasy. Alam mo yun? May ganun kasi may mga lip balm na parang cooking oil sa labi mo and it's heavy. But this one, it's so lightweight and it's so masarap on the lips. And I really feel na ma-moisturize niya yung lips ko. So, I do recommend this one kung naghahanap ka ng iba pang lip balm or parang, alam mo yun, lip care. Sabi ko sana, lip skincare, lip care. So, yeah, Himalaya Herbals Lip Balm. Now, well, next product is from COLOURETTE. And this is one of their, ano tawag ito? Yung lip glosses nila. And this is in the shade, I'm wearing it right now. This is in the shade Sundown. And parang every time na gusto ko ng glossy lips, I reach for this one. Tapos glossy na, alam mo yun, very, very pigmented. And this is a very good product. Meron akong video about this. I'm going to link it down below. So go check out that lip swatch review. Last product for the lips is this one right here. Well, this is hindi ko siya nagamit like for the entire month of October kasi, you know, kailan lang to na launch, very recent, but isasama ko na dito because I really love this one, you guys. And I have a video about the Vice X and collection and CLUTZ collection. I'm gonna link it down below as well. And you know na And you know na I really fell in love with this lip gloss. And sometimes I use this na eto lang if I just want like a glossy, natural looking lips. But sometimes I put this on top of a powerful liquid lipstick. And then if I want the shade ng liquid lipstick pero I want it glossy, I use this one. It's so good and it's so masarap because it's minty. And alam mo yun, nakaka-erase siya ng lines. Well, permanent, temporary lang naman. Parang illusion of having a smooth lips. So, I do recommend. It's very affordable din. Okay guys, last two products na tayo. Okay, malapit na tayo matapos. Second to the last product is this one right here. This is a beauty sponge and it's not beauty blender. I am so over beauty blender, you guys. I am so done buying beauty blender because it's so expensive, and I found a sort of kinda, not really a dupe, but a replacement, a good replacement, and this is from Ethis Cosmetics, and this is what, 200 something pesos, and it does the job of, you know, giving me like a very pantay application of foundation and contour and sometimes highlight, alam mo yun, and it's very affordable. It's just 200 something, and you know, goodbye beauty blender because I love Ethis Cosmetics more. And this is like, for this year, this is my second na. Tinapon ko na yung una because it's like so used, so old. There's no pag-asa of cleaning it anymore because may mga ano na siya, parang batik-batik na. Pag yung beauty sponge mo, pag may mga batik-batik na akala mo parang tinta ng ballpen, throw it na guys. Because it needs to retire na. You need to buy a new one because for sanitary purposes, for cleanliness purposes. Okay, so I got a new one. Kailan ko ba ito binili? Last week lang. So yeah. Next is, oh my god, this one right here, you guys. It recently, I'm gonna be honest, recently ko lang na-discover how good this is. This is the CLUTZ makeup brush cleaner. All natural ingredients. May VCO, tea tree, and peppermint. And napakadali niyang gamitin, you guys. Parang ni-swipe ko lang yung brush ko and then magically malinis na siya. And I'm like, and it's so fast. Like, you can clean your brush ng 1 to 2 minutes. Actually, yung ibang brushes ko, lalo yung mga maliliit lang, parang wala pang 1 minute, it's super duper clean na. So, alam mo yun, I'm so happy na binigyan ako ni Miss CLUTZ nito, and pag ito naubos, I'm gonna repurchase it again because it's affordable and it's a really, really fast way of cleaning your brushes. I love this. Alright guys, so yun na lahat ng favorites ko for the month of October. Let me know if you kind of like this kind of video. Let me know if you're interested to know what I've been loving like monthly. And if you have other video requests, comment it down below. Okay, so that concludes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.